Hey guys, I'm back in London, in this beautiful park that I live nearby. I bought a house here during COVID, which turned out to be a great move. And I wanted to talk about how important environment is over willpower. I had friends of mine tell me that, oh, it's all about your willpower, it's all about it doesn't matter what environment you're in, you can just be strong alone. Don't worry about where you are and what you're doing. If you're around a bunch of smokers, you shouldn't be tempted to have to smoke. You're around a bunch of smokers, you'd be strong enough to not smoke. To which I agree with to a certain extent. But if some of you are trying to change your lives, trying to change your social environment, trying to change the people that you hang out with because you want to level up, these are things that I did. I left London for a reason. I left London because I wanted to level up the people that I hang around with. I left London because I wanted to be around entrepreneurs, be in more optimistic environments. So when someone tells you, yeah, it's all about your willpower, man. Your willpower needs to be strong enough. Doesn't matter what environment you're in. I disagree with that. I think that's bullshit. I think your environment is such a huge factor. I think your environment is almost 80% and your willpower is about 20%. If you're around a bunch of smokers, you're going to smoke. If you're around a bunch of drinkers, you're going to drink. If you're around a bunch of entrepreneurs, you're likely to open your own company. They think, hey, fuck working for a corporate company. I live with 5 entrepreneurs. They've all got different businesses. Let me join them. Let me do what they're doing. You will naturally adapt to whatever environment you're in. And so putting yourself in that environment is so key for your success. I mean, I was already successful when I left London, but I left London because I wanted to change my environment. I wanted to be around entrepreneurs. I wanted to be around optimistic people. I had to make such a drastic change because I just wasn't getting the right outputs when I was in London. Around the same sort of friends who love a drink on the weekend, who love a smoke, who'd smoke weed every night. And I ended up finding myself doing the same things. So I had to adapt my environment. I had to go somewhere where it was more inspirational. Now you have to find that environment. Most of you are stuck in your habits because you're in the same environments, hang around the same people. Who you hang around with is everything. It's so vitally important that you don't hang around with losers who have average jobs, who have average bodies, average girlfriends, average everything. The idea of this channel is to turn you into an average Joe to someone who's fulfilled and happy, who lives a life which is above average, who has a remote business, who's able to travel, who has a beautiful girlfriend, who has an above average body, who eats better than the average person. You see, I'm not in this game to live an average life, and I never have been, and I never will be. And I love passing on my knowledge and my wisdom to my audience and my subscribers to show you it's possible to change your life. I never came from a rich family. I never came from a rich background. Look at these beautiful woods that I'm in right now. Look at this. Oh, fantastic. This is a really beautiful area that I bought a house in. I'm very grateful that I did so. Anyway, carrying on. How important your environment is over your willpower. I had a friend tell me, your willpower is key. Now, had I listened to that idiot, I'd still be in the same position. You have to be careful who you're listening to. You're probably hanging around the same idiots in your local area who are talking absolute trash, who have no experience whatsoever. You want to listen to people who have the lives that you want to live. You don't want to listen to someone who doesn't have the life you want to live. You know that typical kind of guy that you'll see in the pub in England or at a bar in America? And let's face it, he's a fucking loser. But he always talks about how much he knows. Oh yeah, this is what's going to happen. Oh yeah, no, I've already experienced that. And you're like, wow, this guy's a know-it-all. But how come he doesn't have the life that I want to live? How come he doesn't have the life that he doesn't want to live? You get these characters, and I know them here in the UK, and they talk like they know everything. They talk like, oh yeah, they talk like they know it all, but they don't live the life that you want to live. So fuck those people. Avoid them. Stop going to that pub. Go to a new environment. Go to a a dance class. Go to a class where you're going to meet more interesting people. Sometimes it's worth paying more money for a gym membership because you get higher quality people. Now, by higher quality people, I just mean people who are ambitious, people who work hard, people who have good bodies, people who are above average. This channel is not about being average. This channel is about being above average. It's about improving your life. And your environment is everything. Your environment is so key over your willpower. Your willpower is simply not strong enough to overtake all of the environmental factors. It just isn't strong enough. You cannot survive in a shit environment just because you are strong-willed. To an extent, you might be able to, but over a long period of time, you will just fall into the default state of mind that everyone else around you has. It happens to me when I come to London. I lose the optimism that I have when I'm in America, when I'm in Miami. So you have to change your environment to change your life.